So I'm back with another video, man. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Yeah, this is the video you guys have been waiting for. I'm so excited.
Hey, I thought this was supposed to be the reveal video.
It is.
Man, I'm about to just skip.
Hey, no peeking. This is why it was blurry. Just wait a second, alright?
Okay.
I didn't really mean 1 second. Alright. I'm done trolling y'all. Here you go.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Alright, so y'all have seen the rims. They look mighty good. Them things are really nice. And don't think I'm done yet, y'all. I'm not finished. But anyways, we got to throw it back to when they first came. You can't tell in the video, but I was really excited. Yeah, this process has been very long, but it's also been very costly. So yeah, that's probably what was on my mind. But these Vicrez rims are actually really good quality and they look really good. So also, I'm not sponsored by Vicrez. I wanted to go wider and I did not want to rub at all. So they were the only rims that I knew for sure that wouldn't rub. How I know it's gonna be upside down, bro? Just flipped it over. Oh, that thing heavy, huh? Yes, sir. Okay. Vicrez. Those are nice. Those are really nice. Alright, so if you watched the last video, which if you haven't, I encourage you to do that. You seen the little baby pull that I did when I first got the rims put on the car. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure the car was in good everything was good. We weren't rubbing and all of that kind of stuff, right? So basically, I literally just went to the ATM that was up the street and I parked the car. I have not driven it. I have not driven the car since then. And so today, the pulls that you're about to see are literally my first reaction. Yeah, so let's throw it to that real quick. Some pulls for y'all 315s. We're gonna get on the road here. That is in Mexico. In Mexico, of course. You know what I'm saying? But let me just see something real quick. Yes, sir. Stop playing with them. That's I can't say how fast I was going. I'm tripping. Boy, them 315s no joke. Yeah, that sounded amazing too. So what are we about to do where it's coming from. It's shining. The sun is shining on me. Oh, dang it. But as soon as I acknowledge it, it'll go away. I don't know how I feel about this angle. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below, man. How y'all feel about this? I feel like y'all see too much of my big old head. Boy, I got that big old pineapple head. Y'all, I clown on myself before other people do because it's childhood trauma, bro. Childhood trauma, for real. Let's do a circle. Oh. That nigga coming, bro. He coming fast. Just a reason to speed. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let me stop playing. Oh, Jesus. I wish y'all could see, like, how fast I'm going. Because I'm acting a fool for y'all. Wait. I'm ready to come up on the bridge. You know what that means. Hold up. It's bridge time, boys. Gary, drop it down. Respect on your name, boy. Yes, sir, I do. Alright, y'all. So y'all are completely up to date. Literally, I just released the last video that y'all seen today. So I'm filming it the same day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm not finished with the car, y'all. Stay tuned. I have more stuff coming for the rims, more stuff coming for the car in general. So make sure you guys like the video if you like the video. Leave a comment, share it with all your Mopar addicts and your Mopar fanatics. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna let you guys know that if you can beat your mind, you can beat the world. Much love to you and yours. God bless. Peace, love, and hair grease.